Have you ever wondered what the cracking sound is when you get adjusted? It is definitely not your bones cracking. The cracking noise actually comes from gas being released in between the joint capsules. It's within the fluid, and as soon as it gets released, the joint functions a lot better. When you get adjusted and you hear the cracking noise, it's completely normal and it is safe. Whether you hear a crack or you don't, the adjustment and what we're trying to accomplish is still effective either way.